and other those who are housewife and those who are homemakers, so they usually they go. They don't go regularly, but they
Not go
usually like
regularly, but
occasionally.
whenever
Occasionally.
comes festival or any occasion, they
Yes.
usually go to there in beauty parlor
Yeah.
before the
Yes.
going
Yes.
any party and any occasion. They
Yes.
wants to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
So,
Naveen.
have you ever gone salon or used salon?
Yes, yes. I use not regularly, but some party and occasion I prefer go to parlor, but not rarely. I'm not yeah, but within 1 month I will go to for my eyebrow, for my daily routine. I will go for that
Yes.
only. Otherwise, I will do at home at my with my homemade techniques I use in my homemade techniques. Lots of homemade.
Okay. I'm
Hello,
audible.
what's going on?
Yes, nothing. I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much for waiting me.
No worry, no worry. Yeah.
Okay. So we are meeting
Shall
first
we
time.
start?
Tell me about yourself.
Yeah. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vandy. I'm from Jamshedpur. Regarding my education, I have done BA in political science honors, and then I have done bachelor degree of library science from Dekho University. Then I did some hair courses. So I'm by professional, I'm a hair trainer as well as hair stylist.
Okay.
That's all
By
about me.
professional, are you hair trainer?
Yes.
Okay. So you
So
have also getting a too much chance to make connecting with the new countries people and getting knowledge from them.
not like that. My client is not a foreigner because I live in a small town right now. So there is a very rarest chance to come any foreigner.
Okay. Because I saw your some pics with foreigners, so that's why I'm asking you.
Yeah, when I was in academy, when I was means I have been working in Blossom Coacher Academy for 5 years. So during my teaching time, college invited some foreigner to train us taking class. So that time I interacted with some foreigner people. So that experience was very nice. But that time, frankly speaking, that time I could not speak one sentence. I speak totally broken English, and yeah, but they are very humble and very cooperative. So they focus on my hands-on. They don't focus on my speaking. So that is why that session was very good. Yeah, I met a lot of foreigner people, but that time I was not able to speak English.
Okay. So you only hair hairdresser, or you are all a makeup artist, or you are doing all any kind of beautician type?
Yeah, because I used to go my college time. I used to go my sister's salon, so I learned everything over there, like how to make hairstyling, how to do facial. So skin and hair parts I know very well, but I don't know how to make up. I have a little knowledge, but I don't have a depth knowledge about makeup. So I'm a
Okay.
master of hair, so I can do everything and at hair, but on hair, but not a makeup artist. My sister is a
Okay.
makeup artist, so she does
Okay.
makeup.
So do you have own beauty parlor or what? Do you have own salon?
No, I don't have. My sister has. My real sister, my elder sister, she runs two salons, so I used to go there.
Okay,
I
you
would go
both are
there.
working there.
Yes, but she is a owner.
Okay. Okay. So she's married or what?
No, no, she is not married.
Okay.
She is also
So
unmarried.
you
She is
are
a single. I am also single.
okay. Okay. So where are you from now?
I'm from Jamshedpur. It's come Jharkhand state.
Okay. Okay. So why do you choose this career?
For salon career,
Yes, yes,
uh, because I learned no bachelor degree of library science. That course I did. But when I saw librarian sitting in one place, no, wearing thick specs, and not action is there. They're sitting and they're watching here and there. So I don't like no monotonous sitting one place. This type of work I think monotonous work. There is a no creativity, no any kind of excitement. So slowly I go to salon, and then I realize that if you cut some client hair and you change their hair, so they feel no very means they always say they're not grateful to you ki, oh my god, you changed my look, this that
yes,
no.
yes, yes,
So
yes,
that kind of instant reaction you can get if you did something, no? Okay, means you make a hairstyle or makeup or something. So they instantly they react, no? You make me beautiful. So that
yes,
kind
yes,
of appreciation, no, boost me and give me energy to do something new. So that is
yes,
why
yes.
I choose.
Nowadays, very people are very crazy about this beautician, and they going there and doing all things like regularly. No, this is the
Yes,
most
yes,
best business in now running in days.
yes,
Because
yes,
all
yes.
ladies
Yes.
crazy about these things. They want
Yeah,
they every time they want to do in the new in our face and your look. They uh, they always choosing another when they go the any party or anywhere they want to make over, or they look like a beautiful than others. You know? Yeah.
yeah. So nowadays every girls or lady is so much aware, okay, about beauty, about their hair, about their skin. So every time they present means they think that I should be presentable every time. Means not every time. Whenever I go to outside a party or meet with some friends, so that time they think that means I look like a presentable. Means my hair should be hair dry, and makeup or something. So that thing. So if without make means you do makeup, okay, but you don't do any kind of hairstyle and something, so it's incomplete, no, it's look incomplete, you don't
Yes.
look
Yes.
means you are not looking complete when you get some hair blow dry and makeup though, then you look totally complete. And yeah, makeup and hairstyle enhance your
Beauty.
personality.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. And they after hairstyling, our face are looking a very different. Some
Yes.
people are they don't after they watching and they did not memorize ki she is she person, how she changed after the
Yeah.
looking. Yeah.
Yes.
They
So
commenting
we
like
are
that.
a magician. We are a magician. We change.
Yes, yes. So some people go and parlor and again asking, please suggest me how I am look beautiful. Give a suggestion. What I should I do on my makeup and my face? My face looking a dull. This kind of thing. They again and again ask to beauty parlors and in salon whenever they
Yes.
go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So lot of clients they visit salon every month or every after 20 days they visit a salon because they want to means those who are working in different sectors. So for a salon, they go to salon for relaxation, no, for massage or head massage or facial. So these things they feel energetic or some relaxation. So that is
Yes.
why most of the girls they used to use parlors for this
Yes.
purpose. And other those who are housewife and those who are homemakers, so they usually they go. They don't go regularly, but they
Not go
usually like
regularly, but
occasionally.
whenever
Occasionally.
comes festival or any occasion, they
Yes.
usually go to there in beauty parlor
Yeah.
before the
Yes.
going
Yes.
any party and any occasion. They
Yes.
wants to go there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
So,
Naveen.
have you ever gone salon or used? salon?
Yes, yes, I use not regularly, but some party and occasion prefer go to parlor, but not rarely. I'm not yeah, but within 1 month I will go to for my eyebrow, for my daily routine. I will go for that
Yes,
only. Otherwise, I will do at home at my with my homemade techniques I use in my homemade techniques. Lots of homemade face pack available. You can use at home. This kind of I'm using on
yes,
my yes. As
yes,
well
yes.
as also I'm
Yeah, that's
using hair masks also at home, like banana hair
okay.
mask and curd hair mask. I'm using this kind of for my hair because my hair is so long. That's why.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So I didn't, I could not see your, no,
Yes,
I thought ki you have
I'm back
this much
and
length.
I'm not tie on my pony, so that's
Time.
why it's behind my head.
Yes,
Okay.
okay, okay.
So because my parents now allow me, you can go and cut your head in its shoulder loan. I whenever I mean at was my college that time my hair is so long after my waist till the
Hmm.
longer hair very and then after some due to some environment and the change water some my hair falling starting after that. Yeah.
Okay, so these things happen, I think, no, rainy season when come, these things happen with
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah. After marriage my hair is falling too much. Don't know about the city change and water, maybe this kind of my hair
Yes,
starting
might be one
falling.
reason.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes,
So one reason might be, no, you change a different place. No, before you leave a different place, right now you live in different place.
yes,
So water change is the main role impact. Its
yeah, yeah.
effect.
Yes. Some people say the water affects your on hair, so you use it, you change your shampoo and you change your oil. So
Hmm.
they suggest this like of things,
Hmm. So no, don't go if whatever shampoo you are using right now, it suits you. So don't go for other. You use same one. But if
Like,
you think that shampoo doesn't work in your hair, so you can change and you apply good professional shampoo. So that will help you.
okay, that's I'm trying because I'm only using the coconut oil. The, another I'm using sometimes homemade oil like a curry. I add curry leaves and methi in that. I'm using after I'm boil them and after I using to my hair. My mom taught me these things.
Yeah, curry leaves is very beneficial for hair, no, hair growth or hair color. So curry
Yeah.
leaf is very important. Also, I believe in that ki I eat curry leaves too much. I make some means some water base. So take some
Mm.
water and put some leaves, fresh leaves, and grind them and stain them, and then I take that kind of water. I take. So it's very helpful for your eyes, your hair. So I
Yeah.
do these things, and sometimes what I grind the curry leaf and I put in my hair like a henna.
Green
So it's also
green
beneficial.
curry leaves or dry curry leaves.
Green green curry leaves. I grind
Okay.
it
You
well,
can use
and yeah, I
hair
mix it.
hair masks, You can use hair masks. Curry
Yeah,
leaves hair
yeah,
masks.
you can say that
Yeah.
hair, curry leaf hair mask. It's also very good for hair and scalp too.
Yes, yes. And some says within 1 month you need a hair spa, you need a this oil massage. If you go parlor, they suggest all time. If we ask my hair is falling, they asking this suggesting you wanna come for hair mask and you wanna come for head massage. They always says that in parlor.
No,
Is it
don't
right?
mean no, don't go for head massage. I must say that ki you don't go for head massage. Yeah, but mask, if they recommend mask, so mask is very important because when we wash our hair, no, with shampoo, so their cuticle open. So if you apply mask and conditioner, means there
Mm-hmm.
is a two option. if you go for a conditioner or otherwise you go for a mask. So you buy
Mm.
if a conditioner or mask. So you apply your length because length is too much dry. So we should
Okay.
apply conditioner or mask in length. So that thing will help you and your hair look shiny.
Yes,
So
yes.
I recommend my client no user means you apply mask. Mask is a very good for hair. It's a
Yes.
food for hair. It's a kind of food for hair.
Yes. Yes. Okay. You sharing with a good points with me give me a very helpful tips to me. Thank you for you. And you are giving me
You're
your
welcome.
opportunity to connect with me. So we will connect again, okay?
Okay. Thank you so
Yes, yes.
much.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.